Now this is going to be very important. You know what is the difference between this and this? Now what's going to happen is you have when you find the area which is below the x-axis would be negative.
Okay.
The integral would be negative. Area can be negative. This integral would be negative. This part, and this would be positive. So that means if you're finding only the integral, if you're just finding the integral of the velocity function without the absolute value, this will represent the displacement at time at t is equal to 5 seconds.
Yeah.
So if you use your calculator to do that,
Yeah.
if you use your calculator to do that, there are two ways of doing it. One is this directly. So if you do this, look at the first one which is highlighted in black. So if you do that a run mode, you'll get directly 35.
Okay.
Because it's with GDC, you can do it on a calculator directly. So 35
Yeah.
centimeters is the displacement. But when you do it with the absolute value, that will give you the distance traveled. That will give you the distance traveled in first 5 seconds.
Oh, okay.
With the absolute value, your answer will come to 42.6, correct to 3 significant figures.
Oh,
Now,
okay.
now there's one more way of interpreting it. If you look at it graphically, so I've already done these graphs. One second, sorry, I pasted the wrong graph. I've already done this graph on GDC. Whatever GDC you're using, you can draw the you get the graph up to the intersection. You get the graph up to the intersection. Here. So you'll find that if you find the first graph,
Yeah.
this one is minus 3.8, minus 3.79. And this area, this is from lower 1.235 to 5. This is 1.235 approximately, is 38.8.
Okay.
Correct? That's another way of looking at it. So if you're looking at the displacement, what we do is you take the sine area, as we call it, the sine value. So you take 38.8 minus 3.8. Basically, that's 35.
Yeah.
But when you're looking at the distance traveled, what you do is you just take the absolute value. You take minus 3.8 plus 38.8.
Okay.
So that's the difference. So remember that if you take it without the absolute value, you will get the displacement, because remember the displacement can be negative. Displacement is a vector quantity. So displacement
Yeah.
will have a sign.
Okay.
When the displacement is negative, it means the body is moving to the left of the observer, is on the left of the observer.
Yeah.
Correct? So basically, if you're trying to picturize this, you have an observer. In the beginning, the velocity is negative. When the velocity is the velocity is negative, when the body is on the left and moving to the left, then it starts moving to the right. So it comes to the left, it comes towards the body, and then it starts moving to the right.
Okay.
So that's what is going to happen.